ChatGPT is a chatbot that converses fluently with its users. Prompts are like ideas or suggestions that you give to a computer program to help it start a conversation with you. Just like how you might ask a friend a question to start a conversation, you can give ChatGPT a prompt to help it understand what you want to talk about. For example, you could give it a prompt like, "Tell me about Microsoft Excel," or "Talk about ChatGPT." But these are generic prompts. But the more detailed your prompts are, the better it is for ChatGPT to give an appropriate response. ChatGPT will use its artificial intelligence to come up with a response that makes sense based on the prompt you give it. Let me give you an example to make it clear. If I want ChatGPT to explain an Excel formula, I would ask like this: "Forget about all my previous instructions. Explain the Excel function XLOOKUP in simple words as if you're teaching it to a 10-year-old kid. Generate a data table and explain with an example." There you go. If you're not happy with the response, you may ask what exactly you expect. ChatGPT will try to answer as per your requirement. Tweak your question in different ways to get what you want. If the answer is too simplistic, you can ask for more complex examples. Yes, sometimes the response might be wrong or silly. You'll need to continue to converse with the bot by rephrasing your questions. If you are completely new to this, get started by throwing in some random questions to ChatGPT and see how it responds.